Today we are going to see how we are going to clear our search history on YouTube on iOS iPhone. To do that, you go to the iTube application, and there are two ways of clearing your search history. One, you can clear it one by one. The other one is you can clear it all at once. To clear one by one, you just click on the search icon at the top right corner, and you simply drag to the left the search term you want to delete, and delete button will come. You can simply delete, and that search item would be cleared. In order to clear all the search items you made on your YouTube application on iOS, what you are going to do is you just click on the logo or your thumbnails, which is available at the top right corner, and you go to settings. After that, you search for history and privacy section. Under it, you will find clear search history. Then you click clear search history. This pop-up will come, and for the second time, you click on click search history. After that, your search history would be cleared away. And let's see if it exists. This is the way you clear your search history on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching this YouTube.